Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel we share legal resources and information to help you understand the law and know your rights. On today's topic I want to share with you 5 common legal mistakes that people make and how you can avoid it. The first legal mistake you should avoid is not putting up a will. Now, I know that when you mention will, a lot of people are scared. They think that, okay, I'm about to die or I will soon die. No, that's a wrong notion. It only helps to protect your family, protect your properties and your wishes as well, especially for people who have assets or who are wealthy or who have properties in places that even their families don't even know about. So it is important that you protect the family you intend to leave behind. Not everybody, we are not in control of when we're going to go, but it is always important that you protect your family. Number 2 legal mistake you should avoid is not reading a contract. Make sure that before you sign a contract or before you append your signature to any agreement or any document, you have read it and you have understood it. Even if it is a tenancy agreement, when they give you a tenancy agreement, make sure you take your time, even if it takes you a day to go over it, read it, and be sure that you agree to the terms and conditions. If you don't agree, you can always send it back and tell them, okay, I don't agree to this paragraph, I don't agree to this section, these are my terms, or these terms are not acceptable to me. Always make sure that you fully understand whatever it is that you are signing. The 3 legal mistakes that people make is not knowing your legal rights. Make sure you know at least the basic law that applies to your state or your country, because different laws applies to different states and different countries. The law that applies to us here in Nigeria is different from the law that applies to people in Malaysia or people in Kenya. Their laws are different. So if you are in Nigeria and you are in a state, at least know your basic law. A lot of people don't know that if you get arrested by the police, they have only 48 hours to hold you. After 48 hours, it is your right to be released. At least know that one. Understand little things or little laws. At least some people don't know that when they give you a tenancy agreement, the landlord has his own duties and responsibilities to you, and a lot of people don't know that. They don't know that it is their right for the landlord to fix certain things. So you need to fully understand all those basic small things for your own benefit. If not, a lot of people will take advantage of you, and where you are supposed to get compensated, you will not get compensated, or where you are supposed to be enjoying a benefit, you may not enjoy that benefit because you have refused to know at least basic laws that applies to you. A 4 legal mistake that a lot of people make is ignoring legal notices or not paying attention to deadlines. Please, in case or in the situation that you get a legal notice, do not ignore it, do not relax, do not fold your hand and say, okay, they have given me a legal notice. Make sure you consult a lawyer, because if you do not pay attention or if you do not comply within the time frame that you are supposed to comply, it can have consequences, and it can have serious consequences to you or whatever is the case may be. So make sure that you immediately consult a lawyer if you get a legal notice. Don't lie down, don't sleep on it, okay? Number 5 legal mistakes a lot of people make is not seeking legal advice when needed. I always say this and I'll continue to say it, that no matter how small your business is, you need a lawyer on standby, on retainership. You see people have been doing business for even 10 years and they don't have a lawyer on retainership. It is very risky. It is very risky. Even some people go as far as going to court to represent themselves when they don't fully understand the laws. Even we as lawyers, we don't know all the law, but it's very important that you seek legal advice for your business, for whatever thing that you are doing. You don't just stand up and say you want to do something without first seeking legal advice. It can have dire consequences. So please don't make that mistake. Avoid that mistake. Make sure if you have a legal question, consult a lawyer. Don't allow oversabi to kill you. Consult a lawyer, okay? Guys, we have come to the end of this video, and I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put on your notification bell so each time I post a video you get notified. Please help me to share this video. You never know who might be needing this information. Give me a thumbs up, and if you have a question you can leave it in the comment section and I'll attend to it. Until I see you guys in my next video, have a wonderful time.